Hello, good morning. Today we will discuss about classification of repertory. Classification of repertory or types of repertory. Basically, repertory divided into two types. ये दो प्रकार की होती है. नंबर वन, ट्रेडिशनल बुक फॉर्म एंड मैकेनिकल. ट्रेडिशनल बुक फॉर्म जो बुक फॉर्म में मार्केट में उपलब्ध है. मैकेनिकल मीन्स जिसमें किसी दूसरे का हेल्प लिया जाता है, किसी एड लिया जाता है, हेल्प लिया जाता है, दैट इज मैकेनिकल. मैकेनिकल इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स, कार्ड रेपर्टरी एंड सॉफ्टवेयर और कंप्यूटर रेपर्टरी. So traditional book form repertory is also divided into two parts, two types, general and regional or particular. General repertory contains head to toe person as a whole, all system, and regional or particular is may be part wise or region wise. It not complete person as a whole generally. So general or whole traditional book form repertory is divided into three parts, three types. Number one, those repertory which is based on or follow Hahnemannian anatomical schema. Hahnemannian anatomical schema means head to toe system wise. Second is clinical repertory. Clinical repertory, those generally used in clinics or contains clinical rubrics or nosological terminologies. Clinical repertory is Boric repertory and Clark clinical dictionary. Maybe or other repertories according to different physicians. Third is alphabetical repertory. Alphabetical repertory means those repertory in which rubrics arranged alphabetical A, B, C, D, A to Z as like Phatak repertory and repertory by Robin Murphy, homeopathic medical repertory, and or others alphabetical repertory present in market. So general repertory, general traditional repertory which is available in book form is of three types: Hahnemannian anatomical schema, clinical and alphabetical. Hahnemannian anatomical schema, those repertory follows which is further divided into three types. Number one, concordance repertory, example Gentry repertory and Nur repertory. Concordance means this repertory contains symptoms in prover language, no any changes for compilation of this type of repertory by Gentry and Nur repertory. Next is themes repertory which is prepared by J. A. Mirrlees thematic repertory. Third is systemic, Boning-Hussein's repertory of antisoric, Lippi's repertory, Kent's repertory, Boger-Boning-Hussein characteristics and repertory, Boger's synoptic key, synthesis repertory, complete repertory. These all are the examples or types of systemic repertory. So these three repertory follows Hahnemannian schema in arrangement of symptoms or rubrics or in formation of this repertory. Next is alphabetical repertory. Alphabetical repertory is divided into two types, section or chapter wise. Section or chapter wise homeopathic medical repertory, rubric wise Phatak repertory. Regional repertory, regional or particular repertory, it is of two types, disease wise and part wise. Those repertory constructed in view of disease or theme of construction is disease wise. Example is Bell's diarrhea, Allen's intermittent fever, Boger's rheumatic medicine, Nash diseases of respiratory system. So these repertory which is based on disease wise contains rubrics related to particular disease, generally in some associated like desire, aversion or modalities. Part wise is Berry's eyes, Morgan's urinary organ, Minton's uterus or Minton's uterine therapeutic. So part-wise repertory or other examples or other repertories available in market. Yngling, in disease-wise, Yngling appendicitis. So part-wise, Berry's eye, this repertory is contains rubrics related to eye, all complaints of eye. Morgan's urinary organs. Morgan's urinary organs contains urinary disorders related to urogenital systems, and Minton's uterus or uterine therapeutics. It contains rubrics or complaint related to female reproductive organ including uterus, fallopian tube, ovary, menstruation, leukorrhea, pregnancy, parturition, breast. All female disorders cover in this repertory. So in short, this is classification of particular repertory. Mechanical repertory. Mechanical repertory divided into two groups or two types. Number one is card repertory and number two is software. So card repertory, Guernsey card, field card, Jugal Kishore card repertory, his Dr. Shashi Mohan Sharma's card repertory, Sankaran card repertory. These are the card repertory which is useful before computer repertory. At present time, card repertory is less used in practice or old practitioner. All new practitioner use different softwares or computer repertory. So software are Mac repertory, Radar, Kara, Organon, Homepath. In Indian computer repertory, Dr. Jawahar Shah is pioneer in field of computer repertory of software. Homepath has different modules like Homepath, Mind Technology, Icebreaker, Neonatal, Firefly or other different software prepared by Dr. Jawahar Shah for the betterment of homeopathic practice. and the software minimize the laborious work for the time of repertorization. So repertorization is become easy at present time. This is in short about classification of repertory, different repertory grouped in different types according to construction. Thank you.